Hello students, welcome to another example of writing quadratic equations. In this example, they're giving us the zeros at x equal to 3, x equal to 4, and an a value of -2. So now let's recall that zeros are also known as x-intercepts or roots or solutions, right? Because they give us the zeros or the x-intercept, we should start with the x-intercept form or the factor form, right? So let's remind ourselves what factor form look like. So it's going to always be y equals a, that's your leading coefficient, a, and then the factor form, right? X minus p times x minus q, right? This is your factor form, or known as the x-intercept form, right? Where p and q are actually the zeros. The p and q's are the zeros or the solutions of these equations, right? And then, of course, the a is just the a right here, right? So let's just substitute values in, right? So we put y equals, a is -2, parentheses, and then we put the two zeros in there, or the two roots in there, right? So we put x minus, or p is going to be either one of these. It doesn't matter which one you use first, right? You could use 3 first or 4 first. Let's just go in order. Let's put 3 in there first, and then x minus 4, okay? Now, if the problem says write this in factor form, you are done. However, we usually just put things in standard form. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get from here to standard form as well, right? It's not that hard. So we're going to leave the -2 alone because we want to take care of these two binomial first, right? We're going to multiply them first. So we're going to do the binomial multiplications, right? So I'm going to do x times x. So I get x squared. And then x times -4, I get -4x. And then I move to my second term. My second term is -3, and I'm going to do the same thing. -3 times x is -3x. And then I do -3 times -4, which actually give me a positive 12. Okay? And so now I'm almost done. I can combine like terms right here, okay, and make this a little bit more simplified. So I'm going to simplify the inside. So -2 times x squared minus 7x plus 12. And then one last step is to multiply the 2 through everything, right? So I'm going to distribute the -2 through, okay? So it'll be -2x squared. Negative times negative. So -2 times -7 would actually give me a positive 14x. And then -2 times 12 would give me -24. And there you have it. This is the standard form of this parabola with the zeros at 3 and 4 and the a value of -2. Now, if you graph this, your graph will show that this is opening down, right? It's opening down. It's a little bit skinnier than the parent because this is bigger than 1. The negative means it's going to open down. It reflected over the x-axis. And then it's going to have 2 x-intercepts at 3 and 4. You could actually graph this to verify if your information should match up, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you with the next example. Bye-bye.